how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Spider-Man's hand. You know, like he's shooting a web slinger. It's gonna look like, the I love you sign, that sort of thing. So it's gonna be super simple, easy, and completely for beginners. So stay all the way to the very end of the lesson, and you'll get all the info. Really simple stuff. Excuse me. So let's get started, okay? Before we do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification if you like learning how to draw Spider-Man, if you like learning how to draw video games, anything like that. If you like that, having it presented to you in a very simple manner for beginners, hit that like. I'm sorry, that like. The like would be nice too, but the subscribe and the bell. Okay, let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with, I'm gonna think of it a little bit more geometrically. So I'm gonna start with the two middle fingers. I think that's gonna be easy. So I'm gonna throw a line over here. For one finger, we're drawing the ring finger, pulling down, going over here, starting not all the way at the top, and we're going to pull down here, curved line, up. This we're over here to the next finger. Across top of the knuckle line. We're gonna start down here, curve around the bottom here, up. Line down. Line down here at the top of this finger, kind of going down. So again, those are the two kind of center fingers there, and we are going to draw now the pointer finger on this side. We'll draw a line down here, and then we're going to go up, line up. I guess go up a little bit further there. Curve along the top. Down, down. You can put it in 3 segments, because it's kind of like 2 segments here, but 2 segments is fine. Line over here. All right, now we're gonna go to the other finger, the pinky finger is gonna be on that side. And we're gonna draw a line up, obviously not anywhere near as far as that. Curve to the top. Down. Over here, we're gonna draw like a little bump over here, kind of for the top of the palm area. And then now we're gonna draw a larger bump here across to the bottom of the palm. Gonna go for the bottom of the palm here, pull out, up. So there's a thumb over here. We're gonna pull a digit out over here and a digit out, like one segment. And then the second segment is right here. I'm gonna have a curve at the top there. Flat across here. It's gonna pull back over here in this area. Let's find the wrist. Start maybe around the bottom part of this. Down. Over here on this side, it's gonna be much closer to the edge. Right on. Might lower this line a little bit here. So let's take care of the webbing and stuff like that. I'm gonna draw first off a couple of folds here, because like in the palm when you fold your hand, make some folding there. Line there down the middle, but let's actually do the glove, right? So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna continue this across. And these are gonna be thinner. It's like a seesaw shape. Like, it looks like, you know when you draw like water as a little kid? Like that, just across. And I'm gonna pull a straight line down, down, down. Gonna go over here on the palm, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a curved line. These are thinner than the lines around it. And just kind of doing that, like containing it. One over here, one over here, one over here, one over here. Same thing here, we're just drawing thin lines, not at the finger, but just across the palm. See how those are, they're all down, they're all like in the palm, except for the thumb. Gonna draw lines across here, across these fingers. And you might draw like a line down here, you know, like the webbing design is maybe peeking around the corner. And if you want, you can also throw that on this area if you'd like. But it's not necessary exactly. And you could embolden the palm stuff, like right here. You know, like the shape of the palms itself. That might help if you bolden those lines a little bit. You can even bold the lines around the finger here. And that cut line here, that fold line. And you can even bolden the outside as well. But that's mostly it, honestly. That's the hand of Spider-Man. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like. Let me know what else you want to see. If there's some sort of specific item you want a lesson on, I will absolutely do it. I want to thank you very much for, see, I'm just thickening out every line on the outside there. I want to thank you very much for joining me. You guys are awesome, and I will talk to you next time. That's pretty much it. Check out the description for a lot of cool stuff there to make you a better artist, and I will see you very, very soon. All right? Talk to you next time. Also, when you're drawing stuff, please remember to keep it easy. All right, I will talk to you later on. All right, see ya.